LiveU Solo Pro. Folks, it was just a matter of time before the folks at LiveU developed a new version of the Solo, our best-selling cellular bonded encoding live streaming solution. What makes the Solo Pro Pro? What makes it so cool? It is taking advantage of so many new technologies all in one. First of all, it supports 4K video. It now supports up to 4 modems from 2. It also does HEVC encoding, so that means you can get twice the video quality in the same bandwidth. What does that mean? It means the Solo Pro is a future-proof product. You're going to be able to support it with 5G modems. You're going to be able to use up to 4 of them. It supports 4K. And of course, it supports both H.264 and H.265. It does everything the Solo does, plus a whole lot more. Now, the folks at LiveU are working on some bundles with some new Connect kits that we'll have available in Q1 for that product. But if you own a current Solo, you can take your existing modems, your existing plan, plug them into the Solo Pro, and you're off to the races. Now, for 4K at the highest quality, we are going to recommend you go at H.265 with 4 modems, but that doesn't mean you can't go 4K with 2 modems at H.264. It's just a question of how hard and how high and how far you want to push it. But the beauty of this product, it is the brand new future-proof cellular bonded encoding solution, Solo Pro. And like I said, the Connect kits are coming soon.